Today I am going to teach you how to write a letter in class 10 level. The art of letter writing, no more ornamental actually. There are several kinds of letters such as friendly letters, business letters, and each of which has its own particular form, but there are certain matters of form which apply to all. In all kinds of letters, there are 6 points of form to be attended to. First one, the heading. In heading, the writer's address and date come. Second point is the courteous greetings or salutation. Third one is the communication or message, means the body of the letter. Fourth is the subscription or courteous leave taking or conclusion. Fifth is signature, and sixth is the superscriptions on the envelope or address. How to write all these? The heading. This informs the reader where you wrote the letter and when. Where means write a full postal address to which the reader may reply. Date means date on which you wrote. It is position is top right hand of the first page. So heading is written, or we write the heading on the top right hand, address above and the date below that, below the address. Second is salutation or greetings. Depend upon the relation to whom you are writing. To the members of your family, for example, dear father, my dear mother, dear uncle, dear Pragyan, etc. And to friends, dear Raman, dear Manshi, dear Lina, etc. And for business people, dear sir, dear sirs, etc. The use of term dear is purely formal. The position of the salutation is at the left hand of the first page, at a lower level than the heading. Third point is the communication or body of the letter. It is the letter itself and it is the style, the kind of letter you wish to write. Few hints how to write the body of a letter. Divide your letters, unless it is very short, into paragraphs to mark changes of subject matter. Use simple and direct languages and short sentences. Be clear about what you want to say and say as directly as possible. Then try to be complete. Write neatly. Mind your pronunciation and put in commas and semicolons, semicommas and full stop in their proper places. Fourth point is the subscription or courteous leave taking or conclusion. Some of our polite leave taking words such as yours sincerely, your sincere friend, yours faithfully, etc. Fifth point is signature and name of the writer. This came below the subscription or conclusion, like yours sincerely, Arjihandik, something like that. Point 6, the address on the envelope or the postcard. The address on the envelope or postcard should be written clearly like this. Postal stamp, mail, S. Chauhan and Company, 53 Mahatma Gandhi Road, Calcutta, West Bengal, pins 700041. Example, how to write a letter. Question, like question I am giving it here. Write a letter of congratulations to your friend on his success in the final examination. Let's see. Answer. First one is heading, Gold Green, Kolkata, 23rd August 2021. Second is salutation, my dear Priyam. Third, body of the letter. I have just heard of your result of the final exam. I convey my heartiest congratulations on your success. To secure distinction marks in all subjects is not easy achievements. All your friends and relatives must be proud of your results. We are especially happy that you performed so well even though you had fallen ill just before the examination. I am sure this result will encourage you to do better in your future or higher studies. if you come out successfully in the joint entrance examination, I hope you will choose engineering course. If it is computer science, you should prefer Guwahati to Kolkata. I wish you more glorious future. Fourth point is subscription, yours friend. Fifth is signature, yours loving friend also you can write. Fifth is signature, Pinaki. The sixth point is superscriptions, means address. This is postal stamp, Priyam Rajkua, Beltola, Sonalipat, Guwahati, Assam. After that, this classification of letters. Actually, letters may be classified according to their different purposes. Thus, first one is social letters, including friendly letters, notes of invitations, and second one is business letters, including letters of applications, letters of government officials, and letters to newspapers. These have different characteristics, but in all kind of letters, what we did, there are 6 points always we have to remember to attend or to write, to follow. These are, the first one is the heading, second one is the salutation, third one is the body of the letter, fourth is the subscription or conclusion, fifth one is the signature, and sixth one is the address on the envelope. So I hope you understand these points and will be able to write a letter nicely following these 6 points, because all kinds of letters have to follow these points, these 6 points. Well, if you like my video, do like, share and subscribe. Thank you.